Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Rokhsana Akhter Rupee. Welcome to Learn English with Rokhsana. Today, we will learn 10 different prepositions. We often make mistakes in preposition while speaking in English. Today, we'll learn the correct forms of prepositions in 10 different sentences. So, let's begin. Let's begin with our first word, anxious. The word anxious may take about when it means troubled or worried. Anxious also takes for when it means very much wishing for something. Let's go for the first one. Anxious about. So when the word anxious means troubled or worried, it will be placed in a sentence like, I'm anxious about my future. My parents are anxious about my future. That means I'm worried about my future. My parents are worried about my future. Anxious about, worried about. The other example, anxious for. So when we wish for something so much, we use for with the word anxious. So when anxious means very much wishing for something or willing for something, it takes the preposition for with it. Example in a sentence, I am anxious for my better job. That means I'm wishing for a better job. My parents are anxious for my success in future. That means my parents are wishing very much for my future success. Anxious about, troubled or worried. Anxious for, very much wishing for something. Anxious about, troubled or worried. Anxious for, very much wishing for something.